conversation on the train.
Hi, Mia. Going far today?
Yes, to Oxford.
Nice. First time on train?
Yes, I feel little scared.
Don't worry. I help you.
Thank you. I tried ticket machine.
Okay, show me if stuck.
I don't know which button press.
Press one way or return.
One way, yes, I need one way.
Good. Seat is free upstairs.
Upstairs? I never sit upstairs.
View is nice from top.
Okay, I try upstairs.
Watch your step. Stairs are narrow.
Oh, I see river from window.
Beautiful, isn't it? Train moves fast.
Yes, I love this view.
Enjoy. Train ride is fun.
Thank you. I feel more confident.
Anytime. Trains are easy, you see?
Yes, not so scary now.
Do you travel alone often?
No, this is my first long trip alone.
That's brave. You're doing great.
Thank you. I feel proud a little.
You should. Oxford is a lovely place.
I can't wait to explore the city.
Visit the universities and parks.
I will. Thank you for everything.
Breakfast at the hotel.
Good morning, Sophie. Ready for breakfast?
Yes, I think so.
Great. Let's grab a tray first.
A tray? Like this one?
Yes, that's right. Take it.
Oh, there are many people here.
Yes, mornings are busy here.
I feel a little confused.
It's okay. I'll help you. The food is along this table.
What is this round thing?
That's a bagel. It's very popular here.
It looks like a donut, but not sweet?
Exactly. It's not sweet at all.
I'll try one bagel, maybe.
Good choice. Add some cream cheese.
Cream cheese? Is it sweet?
No, it's soft and a bit salty.
Okay, I'll try a small amount.
That's perfect. Try and see.
What about drinks?
Juice, coffee, or milk are over there.
Orange juice, please.
You can say, I'll have juice.
I'll have juice. Yes, this is nice. I like it.
Good. Breakfast is a great start to the day.
Yes, I feel more awake now.
Wait till the coffee kicks in.
Oh no, now I'm scared.
The air conditioning is broken.
Hello, Lily. Is something wrong?
Yes, the air conditioning is not working.
Oh, is it too hot in here?
Yes, very hot. I can't sleep.
Let me check the control panel.
I tried, but nothing happens.
It shows no power.
No power. What does that mean?
It means the unit is off.
But I already pressed the button.
Maybe it's a system problem, not your fault.
Oh, okay. I was worried.
Don't worry, we'll fix it soon.
How long will it take?
Maybe 30 minutes or less.
30 minutes. It's still very hot.
I can bring you a fan.
A fan? Yes, please. That will help.
Also, we can change your room.
Change the room? Is that possible?
Yes, if the problem continues.
I would prefer a new room, maybe.
Okay, I'll check for available rooms now.
Thank you. You are very kind.
No problem. I'll be right back.
I just want cool air soon.
Yes, cool air is important.
Lost luggage.
Hi, Chloe. Did your bag arrive?
No, I can't find it.
Okay, stay calm.
Let's check together.
I waited, but nothing came.
Which belt number did you use?
Belt number 5, I think.
Let's look again near that area.
My bag is blue and big.
Blue and big. Does it have a tag?
Yes, a name tag with my name.
Good. That helps a lot.
I feel very stressed now.
It happens. We can report it.
Report? Where do we go?
To the lost luggage desk over there.
Will they find it soon?
They track bags in the system.
Track? Like GPS?
Not exactly, but a similar idea.
My clothes and gifts are inside.
Don't worry, bags usually arrive later.
I fill out a form, right?
Yes, a simple form with your details.
My flight number, I don't remember.
It's on your boarding pass.
Oh, yes, I have it here.
Great, let's go to the desk now.
I hope they find it soon.
They will contact you quickly.
Thank you. I feel a little better.
You're welcome. We'll fix this together.
Ordering a taxi at the hotel.
Good afternoon, Grace. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, I need one, please.
Where are you going today?
To the city center? The shopping area.
Okay, I can call a taxi for you.
Thank you. I don't know how to do it.
No problem. It's very easy here.
How long will it take?
Maybe 10 minutes or less.
Oh, good. Not too long.
Do you prefer cash or card?
Do taxis take cards?
Yes, most taxis accept cards.
Okay, I'll pay by card.
Great, I'll tell the driver.
How much is the fare?
Around $15 to $20.
Oh, okay. Not too expensive.
The taxi will stop outside.
Outside? Near the door?
Yes, right in front of the hotel.
Should I say the place name?
Yes, say the address clearly.
City Center, Shopping Street, please.
Good. Or you can show the address on your phone.
Yes, I have it saved.
Perfect. That makes it easy.
Thank you. You help me a lot.
Anytime. Your taxi is coming now.
Okay, I am ready to go.
Enjoy your shopping trip.
Buying a gift.
Hi, Emily. Are you looking for a gift?
Yes, for my friend.
Nice. What does your friend like?
She likes small, cute things.
Okay, let's check this shelf.
Oh, these are very pretty.
These are handmade keychains.
Handmade. Does that mean made by hand?
Yes, not made by machines.
Oh, I like that idea.
Also, look at these mugs.
Mugs. For coffee or tea?
Yes, for both coffee and tea.
My friend drinks tea every day.
Then a mug is a good choice.
How much is this mug?
This one is $10.
$10. Okay price.
You can also add a card.
A card? Like a message card?
Yes, you can write a short message.
I write, "For you, my friend."
That sounds very nice and simple.
I'll take this mug and a card.
Great choice. Let's go to the cashier.
Should I say, "I want this"?
You can say, I'll take this.
I'll take this. Yes.
Perfect. That sounds natural.
Thank you. I feel more confident.
You're doing great. Let's pay now.
Which bus goes to the park?
Hi, Ava. Do you need some help?
Yes, I want to go to the park.
Which park are you visiting?
Hyde Park, I think?
Okay, many buses go there.
Many buses. Which one should I take?
You can take bus number 12.
Number 12. This one here?
No, that's number 20.
Oh, I almost took the wrong bus.
It's okay. That happens all the time.
I feel a little stressed outside.
The right bus will come in 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Not too long.
Do you have a travel card?
A travel card? What is that?
It's a card used to pay for bus rides.
I only have a bank card.
That works too. Just tap it.
Tap? On the machine?
Yes, when you get on the bus.
Okay, I understand now.
Good. Sit upstairs for a nice view.
Upstairs? On a bus?
Yes, London buses have 2 floors.
Oh, I want to try that.
Look, bus 12 is coming.
Yes, that's my bus, right?
Yes, it goes to the park.
Yay, thank you. You helped me a lot.
No problem. Enjoy the park.
Exchanging money.
Hello, Mia. Do you need to exchange money?
Yes, I have dollars.
Okay. Do you want British pounds?
Yes, pounds, please.
How much would you like to exchange?
Maybe $100?
$100. Good.
What is the exchange rate?
Today, $1 is worth less than £1.
Less, so I get less money?
Yes, a little less in pounds.
Oh, I understand now.
There is also a small service fee,
A fee? How much is it?
about £3 for this amount.
Okay, that's fine.
Please give me your dollars.
Here, is this okay?
Yes, thank you. I'll count them now.
I feel a little nervous.
Don't worry, it's very normal. Here are your pounds and your receipt.
Oh, thank you very much.
Please check the amount here.
Yes, it looks correct.
Keep the receipt just in case.
Just in case what happens.
If there is any problem later.
Okay, I'll keep it safe.
Great, you're all set now.
Milk allergy.
Hi, Lucy. Ready to order?
Yes, but I have a problem.
What kind of problem?
I have a milk allergy.
Okay, thanks for telling me.
I feel scared to eat outside.
It's okay. We'll check the ingredients first.
Ingredients in every food?
Yes, we can ask before ordering.
I want coffee, maybe.
You can ask for no milk.
No milk. But does coffee have milk?
Some coffees have milk, some don't.
I can say no milk, please.
Yes, that's clear and simple.
What about cake or bread?
Many cakes have milk in them.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's better to ask every time.
I can ask, does this have milk?
Perfect question. Very useful.
And if it does, I say no?
Yes, then choose something else.
Okay, I feel safer now.
Good. Let's order together.
Hi, coffee, no milk, please.
That sounds great and clear.
Thank you. You helped me a lot.
Anytime. Let's find something safe to eat.
Problem with payment.
Hi, Hannah. Ready to pay?
Yes. I'll try my card.
Okay. Tap it on the machine.
The machine is not working, I think.
Maybe it's a card issue.
Oh no, I forgot my cash.
Don't worry, we can try again.
Again? How?
Try tapping again or insert the card.
I have a second card, maybe.
Good. Let's try that one.
Okay, tapping now.
Great. Payment completed.
Oh, thank you very much.
No problem. It happens sometimes.
Can I keep the receipt?
Yes. Always keep it safe.
Okay, I feel better now.
A payment problem is a small adventure.